happy, I'll be expecting 50 likes. 50 likes at least. As long as you want me to be happy, at least let me face this. Usekum, at least let me go with 10 likes and comments. Thank you. My beautiful viewers, I hail you. See, I'm facing the sun, the morning sun. The morning sun symbolizes in Africa. It signifies beauty, signifies growth, it signifies favor. So as long as you are watching me, you are favored. I love you, you are favored. As long as you are watching me, this sun is coming directly to me, you are favored. Anytime you come across this video, this live chat, I want to say hi. I want you to say hi, hi, comment hi to me. Anyone that will join us, I would like you to comment hi. I lost my voice and I'm here to say hi to you. I'm here to greet my beautiful viewers. I'm here to give you a shout out. So if you're just joining us, anytime you join us, I would like you to comment hi. You can see I'm in my kitchen. Let me show you. Can you see? Do you know what is this? I'm in my local kitchen. Useku. Useku Adibo. Anọ m n'usekwu. I'm in my local kitchen and I'm here to say, give you a shout out, to say thank you, and I love you all. And I love you all. And anyway, anyway, I'm not here to talk too much. I'm not here to talk too much. I'm just here to say thank you all for all the love and support you are giving to me. And you know, as African woman, some of you be saying, "Adibonine," all the time you're in the kitchen, all the time you're cooking. Yes, that's what you are known for in Africa. African women, we are known for it. We are known for it. Excuse me. We are known for it because we love cooking. And do you know the reason why? That is, anytime you say African woman, you're supposed to call her a cook. Do you know why you call her a cook? Because even before we are born, we believe that there's this kind of African belief that a woman is meant to be in the kitchen. So I want to show you my kitchen. A woman, yes, in Africa those days, we believe that a woman is meant to be in the kitchen always, that you shouldn't go to school. Why are you going to school for? So anytime you join me, I would like you to give me a like, and I'll be so happy. And I would like you to say hi to me. I would like to give you a shout out. I would like to see that you are joining me, and I would like to see if my settings is correct. Yes, I don't know. I want you to comment hi if you are joining me. Let me know if my settings are correct because I'm supposed to see if you're able to comment. Let me know if I've really changed the setting because I want someone to be able to comment. I want to see my viewers. So if you join me, I would like you to drop a comment and I would like you to like my videos. I love you. I love you. Anytime you're joining me, I would like you to drop HI. Hi. I would like you to drop HII. If it's possible. So if you couldn't drop hi, let me know that I have not really changed the settings because I want to set in such a way that I can see my viewers and the comments. It's like this settings is not still correct. Please, if you are watching it, I want you to help me. Let me know if the settings are correct. Just drop hi. I've done first live video. I cut it because I couldn't see comments. So if you say hi, if you couldn't comment, that means that it's not working. But if you can comment, please can you drop hi for me? Let me know if the settings is working. Can you drop hi? Let me know if I've changed the setting. I went off live and I went to change the settings so that my viewers can comment. So can you drop hi if it's not private? And they told me that it's private. That is private. That's why my viewers are not commenting. Can you drop hi? Let me be sure that I've changed the settings. Okay. Please, can you drop hi? Then, if you couldn't, that means I've not changed the settings. I don't know how I'm going to change these settings. I remain Adibonile. Can you give me a like? If you couldn't drop hi, can you give me a like? That means I've not changed the settings. That means you can't comment. I don't know why it's like that. I don't know how to change the settings again. I went back to set the settings. The setting couldn't send. But if you can, just drop high. Let me break the barriers and know that my viewers can actually drop comments. I lost my voice because I'm a teacher. I'm a teacher. I'm onye nkuzi asụsụ Igbo. That's why I lost my voice. So the weather is harsh. That's why I'm covering myself. Unlike some parts of Nigeria, where the weather is not harsh, but here the weather is harsh. So because in terms of not harsh like it's hot, no, the weather is cold. The cold is too much here in Jos Plateau. And whenever you are coming to Nigeria as a new person from other countries. Some people say they come to Jos because of the weather. The weather is favorable. The weather looks like America weather. That's what they do say anyway. So if you want to come for tourists, can you come to Jos Plateau? Give me a like. Someone has not given me a like. Why? If you can't drop the comment so that I'll know if my settings are correct, why not like the video? Let me know that I'm here with someone that cares. Someone that cares. Yes, you can I know you're caring now. Can you drop high? Let me know if my settings are correct. Then if you cannot drop high, that means I've not changed the settings. Then because I went off and changed the settings, I want some people to be able to comment. So if you cannot drop high, can you now like the video at least? I love you. I remain your person Adiboni. I'm in my local kitchen. And I'm Nuseku. That kitchen you always see me. I'm cooking. I've not opened it. Someone went out with the key. I'm supposed to open my kitchen, but my husband went out with the key so that you should see my Useku. Thieves came and took some things from my kitchen. Thieves came and took some things from my kitchen. They took those seats you normally see. They took the oshite that you used to place the cooking pot on top. Thieves entered this kitchen and took it. Let's go around. Maybe they entered through here. It's like the thieves, like I see my goats. It's like they entered through here. Those thieves. Then we now put block. Have you seen the block we placed? If not these blocks now, maybe the thieves will still come again. I don't know. But Ajama, case of necessity, I see maybe they came through, the thieves came through here and they now penetrated. Maybe they now entered through the window. We came and saw this window open. Thieves came and entered. Please, I would like you to drop a comment hi for me. Okay, let me give you a shout out and let me know that I've really changed the settings of this um my live chat because I want people to be able to comment. How can I know this? If you are caring to comment, that means they couldn't say hi. It's still private. Cash, because someone have dropped like showing that the person couldn't comment hi. It's a pity. Because I want to change this so that my viewers will be able to comment. That's what I want it. I don't want it to be private. I want them to comment so that we'll shout out, we'll chill together. You know, I don't know why they can't comment up till now. So the settings, is it that it's private up till now? They couldn't comment. Why then? Because I made it to be public. All right, so I'm saying my useku, see my local kitchen, almighty local kitchen you used to see. Then see the place. I think the thieves came from here. They entered my local kitchen through the window. We saw this window open. They now took my rubber seats, beautiful rubber seats here, and they took my oshite, that thing I used to place my pot on. I don't know why this my live chat is private because people are not commenting. I think people are meant to comment when it's public. I said it's public, and now I don't know whether it has come back to private. If it's public, can you comment hi? Can you, even if when you are through with watching me, can you try and know if you can comment on my video? Okay, because I want it to be public. Can you know, try and know if you can comment on my video and tell me the reason why it's private? Can someone tell me that my video is not private, that it's public? You can comment. Can you say hi? Okay, so I don't know why it's like that. Even I remain your person, Adi Bonime, Ade Jemome. I'm always in my Useku, showcasing my African culture, showing that African women during those times, we are not, they say African woman, woman's destiny ends in the kitchen. That's what they used to say then. A woman, you are not. Give me a like. Don't leave without giving me a like. Oh. Give me a like before you go off. Nye m ihe akara iji gosi na ị na-afụ ihe ngosi ma ifugo this morning sun. Can you see the morning sun? So give me a like to show me that you're seeing me and you're seeing me very well. And comment hi to me if you are able to drop comment because I don't know whether the video went back to private again. I set it public and I don't know if it went back to private again. Thank you all. I love you all. I remain your person, IGBO. Bye. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I don't know. How is it gonna be?